Hello guys, what's up today? I just found this really strange pack. It was on the bottom of one of my childhood Lego bins. I can show you that real quick right now. It's just around the corner, right there, yeah. I was kind of decluttering and then that's what I found. This is what I found. But it's not sealed. I don't remember having this at all. It's not like sealed tightly, but I've never opened this before. Maybe I have when I was small. So this is the instruction manual. It has some. It's not that big. There's that. There's the pieces, and it says for Emmet's fly car. Oh, so this is Emmet's fly car. Oh, I see now. And this is official Lego for some reason. I think it is. Emmet's fly car, 34 pieces. It's so specific. For Emmet's fly car, you only need 2 of these, and these 2 pieces are not needed keep them for Emmet's car. Okay. That's our instructions. And this piece already fell out. And these are all our pieces. I hope we have all of the pieces and it's not missing pieces. Because I don't want to take out from my building selection just to build this other car. So it's probably the base. And maybe this might be the base. I don't really know, but we can put that aside and start building Emmet's fly car. So for step 1, I'm actually gonna do this. A piece just fell under there. Yeah, I think a piece just fell under there. I'll get it later. Hope it's not an important piece. I'll find out in the end, but there it is. So I'm just gonna start building. It is actually a pretty weird design, how you're gonna start with the base like that and not with the base of this black thing. Oh, that's kind of weird, odd. I'm filming through the camera so my eyes can't actually see what I'm doing. I can only see through the camera, which is kind of annoying. Then we'll need a wheel, that gray piece, and black thing. So, our wheel, black 4x4. And also, I don't care if you just skip past my building part because it's kind of lame. If you don't want to, but if you want to build this at home, if you have all the correct pieces, I guess you could actually do that. And then there's car doors, I believe, is what that is. Yeah. Oh, it looks decent. Doesn't look like something too phenomenal or I would actually buy at a store, but since this is not bought, this is just got out from this weird box. So, okay. It's weird how they have different pieces, like, what? Why would you do that? Can't they both be black or both be white? Oh yeah, and also if you hear some noises, dramatic music, that's not something that I purposely added in. I actually don't like it. It's probably just my mom and my sister watching a TV show. Oh, good. Okay, 7th is overlapping, which I hate. Overlapping. Where is it? Oh, there it is. I hate when you have to overlap 2 pieces. It's just really annoying if you want to take it apart. So So you'll have to use a brick separator to take it apart. For some reason, for some odd reason, let's focus that. Okay, yep, there's focused. For some odd reason, if you can see, those two pieces aren't actually the same color. One is more greenish and one is more bluish. That's kind of weird. There's 2 more pieces to add. Let's add this black hood piece. And then you add another gray 1x2. Not on top though, right? Yeah. So I believe you put it right next there, like that. Yeah, and if you haven't skipped this, I think you have superhuman powers to not get so bored. And a piece fell down there again. I need to look for it. Sec. Need to see what that is. And also, if you're wondering why I showed my face last time and not do a face reveal, it's because I don't like bribing people. Bribing people is just not fun. Not a great thing to do. I hate when people bribe me. Like, they're like, oh, I'll give you some, if you get to this much likes, then I'll give you a face reveal. Why do we even want to see your face? So, if you're one of those people who do that, please improvise, because then I will not like your videos if you keep bribing me like that. So, still a very interesting, peculiar thing, and I'm not going to show you the instructions now. I'm just looking at it off screen right now. Yeah, okay, that's there. I'm looking at it off screen and just putting the pieces on, because I don't want to, yeah, I'm standing up right now, so don't judge me if this is too high for you to see. I hope it's not, but there. Okay, there. I'll show you that. And oh yeah, one of the, oh, actually that did not fall. I know which piece fell. It's this white square piece. Right, white 2x2, sorry. I'm used to saying square because when I was small, I couldn't identify these names of Lego pieces. So I'm like, hand me the square, buddy. Hand me the circle or something. But circles are still, right now I'm still calling those circle pieces circles. Because what else should you call them? I hope I didn't lose anything important. Yeah, I didn't lose anything important. Yay. Okay, I just broke that off of the car just to give you a better view. If it's a worse view, blame it on me. Oof. So, yeah, that's it, I think. I believe, yeah. So, this is Emmet's fly car. On the bottom, it has nothing to support wheels. So, I guess you just have to use your imagination or throw it like a paper airplane. Car doors, decent. And if I'm saying too much decent, like too much of the word decent, I just said another one. Please tell me down below, because I like having feedback. If you have any feedback, please tell me down below. If not, I'll be mad at you. No, just kidding. And here are the remaining pieces that have not fell off of the table. So there's this. You're supposed to have 2 of these. And these you're supposed to have 4 more. And this one you're supposed to have 1. So these you can just set aside. I can just set aside. You won't need those pieces. I'll just put those in and sort those into my collection. This, I don't know if you have noticed, this bag literally says plastic choking hazard, not for children under 3 years. How did they know what would be contained in here? And if you think I'm just making all of this up, I'm not. I hate YouTubers that do that. Not hate, but I don't really like it. This is not a sticker. It's printed on there. So, this is not clickbait. And it doesn't come with Emmet, so I might actually show you how to make a custom Emmet. Let's get off of this table. Sorry if it's really wobbly, but I need to go into my Lego lab. It's very messy. I've been bringing a lot of these different pieces, like scattered pieces, up to my Lego lab. I'll try to get a little slower, but let's see if we can find it. Oh, I found it. It's getting a little dark. I'll get some more light on this. Okay, there. That's better. And somewhere down here, oh, there it is. This is a bag, and I have this construction guy. And we can just take that head off, too, actually. And that's not in it yet. I need his innocent face. Sorry if that's being a little wobbly now. It's gonna get a little wobbly, so if you can't stand that, close your eyes. I'll tell you when you can open your eyes again. Okay, you can't open your eyes yet. Okay, now you can. Here's my collection of minifigures. And where's my innocent heads? There you go. There's my innocent heads. Let's take one and put it on our little, this guy. And also, oof, sorry, being a little clumsy today. But you can put all of that on. Voice crack, wow. And I'm gonna leave for a second. Let's just put him on R2D2. I'm gonna leave for like 1 second. Oh, shoot. I'm gonna leave for 1 second. Yeah, of course, you guys know that. I know the screen's not moving. That's not because your phone or iPad is really slow. It's actually because I'm moving away and I need to find this thing. Hi. I still can't find it yet. I know I can find it. Oh, ha. There it is. I found this thing. This is back where you put on their back like that. And then you can flip Emmet. Put Emmet back on. Flip him over. Ugh. And I need to put, and then I'll put another brick on him, and I'm gonna move for a few seconds again. So again, your thing is not freezing. Don't freak out. But oh yeah, got it. And then you can take a 1x3 brick and just stick it back there. So that's like the brick thing. And there's your Emmet. That's a custom Emmet. Probably my first custom I made on YouTube. I also made a custom Dareth and custom Possessed Lloyd. They're both on my snups. If you my snups is like Ninja Nerd II or something. Kind of forgot it, but I posted both of those custom, and I also have a Augie from Wonder custom. That's also on snups, and also because his brick can't fit. Ugh, and his back thing can't fit probably. You can just make him standing or something. I'm just gonna put him in that pose. this brick on a weird way. But okay. And there is our... Actually, I'm just gonna take the brick off. Like, put it on the wing. Oof. Put it here. It's kind of annoying. And there, the bag fell. Wow. And that is your custom Emmet and the Emmet's fly car. So, and if you ever see, if like, tell me if this is a real set, if it's like a Target exclusive or anything, or because all these pieces are real, and the brick fell again. All these pieces are real, so I think this set is maybe real. If you can find out, post it down in the comments below, and I will give a shout out to you in the next video. I don't know when that's gonna be, but it's probably gonna be somewhere in maybe December, because that's when Christmas is gonna be here. And I might make a Christmas special, hint hint, nudge nudge, wink wink. And that is it. See you in the next one.